Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. This smartphone was released on September 21, 2023, and has already gained quite a lot of attention in the market. Design and display. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro features a sleek and stylish design. It has a thickness of 8 mm and weighs 187 g, making it comfortable to hold and carry. The phone sports a large 6.67-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, offering a sharp and vibrant visual experience. With a screen-to-body ratio of approximately 89.7%, you can enjoy immersive content on this device. Performance and storage. Powered by the Qualcomm SM7435AB Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset, the Redmi Note 13 Pro delivers excellent performance. It is equipped with an octa-core processor, consisting of 4 high-performance cores clocked at 2.40 GHz and 4 power-efficient cores clocked at 1.95 GHz. The device comes with a generous RAM capacity, ranging from 8 GB to 16 GB, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless app performance. In terms of storage, you can choose between 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB options, providing ample space for all your files, apps, and media. Camera. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro is its impressive camera setup. At the rear, it boasts a triple camera system, led by a massive 200MP primary sensor. This wide-angle lens captures stunning details and produces high-quality images. Additionally, there is an 8MP ultra-wide lens for capturing wide-angle shots and a 2MP macro lens for close-up photography. The camera setup also includes features like dual LED dual-tone flash, HDR, and panorama mode. On the front, there is a 16MP selfie camera that ensures you can capture beautiful self-portraits. Battery and charging. The Redmi Note 13 Pro is equipped with a powerful 5100 mAh non-removable battery. This large-capacity battery ensures that you can go through your day without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the phone supports 67W wired charging, which is super fast and can charge the device to 100% in just 44 minutes, as advertised. Software and connectivity. Running on Android 13 with MIUI 14, the Redmi Note 13 Pro offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. It comes with features and optimizations that enhance the overall performance and usability of the device. In terms of connectivity, the phone supports a wide range of options, including GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G networks. It also features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, market/region dependent, and an infrared port. Additional features. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro comes with a range of additional features to enhance your smartphone experience. It includes an under-display optical fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient unlocking, as well as sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. The device also supports high-quality audio with 24-bit/192 kHz audio, ensuring an immersive audio experience. Color options and price. The Redmi Note 13 Pro is available in 4 attractive color options: black, white, violet, and blue. As for the price, it is currently priced at around €180, offering great value for the features and specifications it offers. That concludes our overview of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding the key features of this smartphone. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thank you for watching.